Hi everyone, this is George from Bubble, and today we'll take a few minutes to see how easy it is to create a video community page using Bubble and Ziggeo. We're starting with an empty app with a clean page, and the first thing we want to do is we want to install the Ziggeo plugin. We'll type Ziggeo in the filter and we'll install it. And of course we need an API token, which we get from our API token page on Ziggeo. So that's it. We now have a new component called video input. So let's add it to the page. And the only configuration we want here is we'd like to allow both recording and uploading. So that's that. Of course, we'd like the user to see the token as it's being created by Ziggeo. So let's say video token here. And we'll get this token very easily from the Ziggeo input A's value. We'd also like to let the user enter a title for the video they just recorded or uploaded. So let's call this, let's put this text here, enter video title, so the user knows what to do. And then of course we need a button that allows the user to save everything to the database, to save the video token and the title we get. Save. And that should do it. So the workflow for this button is very simple. We would like to create a new thing in the database. We haven't decided what kind of thing to create, so let's define it now. It's going to be a video entry. And we need two fields. We need a field that will save the token, and this field is of type text. And we need another field for the title, and this is also of type text. So where do we get them from? Very simple. Ziggeo input A's value for the token and input element video title's value for the title. So that's it. And of course, once we're done, we want to reset the content for the input. So that's good to go right now. Let's take these three elements and group them into a group such that we only show this group when there is content in the video input. If there's nothing to save, this group should be invisible. So the first thing to do is to go to the conditional tab and say we'll define a condition. When Ziggeo input A's value isn't empty, that's when we want to show this. So this element is visible, and we want to make sure it is set to true. So that's pretty easy so far. The last thing we'd like to add is we want to see all the videos that have been uploaded so far, and that's what we'll use, and we'll use a repeating group for that. And the repeating group is relatively easy to set up. The type of content should be a video entry. The data source should be a simple search for video entries sorted by creation date. So we like to show the ones that were created most recently first. And we only want 2 rows and 2 columns since the video elements are pretty big. So now we have a nice square. And let's add a video player to see our video. We'll leave some room at the bottom for the video title. Alright, so let's see. We now have the repeating group. It's not YouTube, we support that, but this is a Ziggeo video. And the video ID has to be taken from the current cell's video entries token. Alright, so that's that. we only need one more thing to also display the title. So we'll do that right underneath the video. And we will say that this is not edit me, but current sales, video entry, title. And we're done. This is a complete full app that allows users to upload, preview, and potentially record a video. Let's see, so that still shows. Might have forgotten to set it. Oh, there we go. We forgot to hide it. So now it's hidden. Let's preview. The page will refresh. There we go. So let's start by uploading a video. We have a nice video here of Elisa conjuring the snowball out of thin air. Very cool. So the video uploaded successfully, it processed, and it works perfectly fine. We can see the token at the top. So let's enter a title, Elisa, the Snowbender. Should probably use a capital S. And then we save it. So now it's been added to the list of videos on the page. So let's also record a video. Hello, everybody. All right, let's do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So that's good. Which is my most confused expression? This is definitely it. So the video is uploading. As soon as it's done processing, it will be available for preview. Meanwhile, we can also see the other video. Very cool. So we can also preview this video. 5, 4. All right, that looks about right. Count down and save. And this is it. We now have a fully functional page that allows people to record and upload videos and of course see what other users created. Thank you for watching.